Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today I am going to provide you a quick update related to a test which can help you to get 100% scholarship for CSIR UGC Net subscription on Unacademy. So now I am gonna provide you all the details about this test. So when it will be on 28th February on Sunday at 12 o'clock it will start. As you can see the duration here too. Also guys, one more thing, that there are gonna be different scholarships. Like for rank 1 and rank 2 it's gonna be 100% scholarship on the subscription. Rank 3 and rank 10 to rank 10 it's gonna be 75% scholarship on the subscription. Okay, they will get, if anybody is gonna have the rank 3 to rank 10. Then rank 11 to rank 35 students will get 50% scholarship on subscription. Rank 36 to rank 150 will get 25% scholarship on the subscription. So guys, I will provide you the link to enroll in this test in the description of this video. You can check the link from there. You can enroll in the test and you can just attend it. Okay, on Sunday the time and the date everything is mentioned here. You will have 30 questions in the physical science test. Okay, another thing, there are few terms and conditions which have been mentioned here. Okay, you also need to know about them. So scholarships needs to be availed of within 7 days. Okay, then the next one is scholarships will only be offered on subscriptions of duration 6 months and 12 months. Scholarships will only be offered on plus subscription, not on the iconic subscriptions. No additional code based discount can be applied on top of these scholarships. These scholarships are not available to plus learners. Okay, a free learner can avail of a scholarship only once in 180 days. Clear? So these are the terms and conditions and all other details I have shared with you related to this process which can help you to get the scholarship for the Unacademy CSIR UGC Net subscription. So if you are interested, if you want to participate in the test, if you want to enroll in the test, you should do that guys, because it's just a test you are attempting, and if you will do good in it you can get the scholarship done. And I'm going to provide you the link in the description of this video, so from there you can enroll in the test. Also guys, as you all know, on Unacademy Plus right now many important courses are going on by the top educators. So if you are the one who want to join and you want to get the guidance by the top educators by joining the important sessions of well structured and well planned courses, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription too. Also guys, right now even many new courses are starting by the top educators. So if you don't want to miss the sessions, if you want to start attending the sessions from now onwards, you can take the subscription. Also guys, if you are taking the subscription today and there are any courses like which are going on already, some of the classes in the courses have already been conducted, so with the help of the recordings of the sessions you will be able to cover up each and everything, and you will get to know about all the topics, all the discussion which has been done there. Done. Also, by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here, no space in between, spelling should be same. By using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, and the Unacademy Plus subscription will help you a lot to prepare very well for your upcoming exams with the guidance of top educators. So if you want to join these sessions, you can take the subscription and start attending the sessions by the top educators, because these sessions can help you to take your preparation to a very good level and to do good in the exam, to score good marks, to get good rank in the exam. So thank you so much everyone for joining this session. Thank you.